All right, guys, what's going on today? We are back at it again. So, we're closer. All right, so I got up on time today, which is great. I don't know why, but like I've been tired as hell. Like I just do not wake up on time. But yeah, we're open right here. 10 minutes before market open, pre-market. Got our key levels marked out. We have our key levels marked out. We got Asia lows. We got Asia lows right here. Hourly low marked out. London lows. Asia highs, but London highs already swept Asia lows. So yeah, London highs already swept Asia highs. So we don't pay attention. We're not really gonna pay attention to Asia highs. Got a 4 hour high. Let me go show you guys. These are the hourly highs I marked out. This high came up here, marked out this high. Came down here, marked out this low in case daily buys to sell. Came down here again, marked out this low, and I came down here, marked out these two. I feel like these are very good valid draws on liquidity. Go to the 4 hour. I came here, I marked out this 4 hour low all the way down there. Marked up this 4 hour high, another 4 hour high, and the very tippy top 4 hour high. We do need only 300 and something dollars. 350 to be exact. Let me look high. 350 on this to be exactly. Because I did go like the most you can make in the eval is 1500 on the dot. I did 1514 and 40 cents. So they're making me get an extra $28. Happy I checked my dashboard last night. So 350 should clear it out, get me the amount I need to get to 3,000, and then clear the extra cash I got to make. So, yeah, I don't usually say I'm aiming for price, but whichever way we swing, that's where my TP is gonna go to 350. So, yeah. The daily buys for today. Last night I was just watching market, and I think my daily buys for today, coming into today, I think my daily buys is gonna be long. um, because we just swept out on the 30 minute. We just swept this liquidity right here, right? We swept these lows. So let me just show you guys. Let me use this one. Why don't I use the cross? So you guys right here, bang. Sorry, right here, bang. We swept these lows right here. This orange one. Let me get like something else. Like, oh, okay, this green line right here, right? Liquidity got swept right here, and then what do you know? It shot right back up. So um, coming into today, and then looking on the 1 day, right? We're going up. We're on an uptrend, swept, and then we swept this as well. So swept all these lows right here. So I think we're gonna go back up today. So I think daily buys for today is long. But like I say, like I always say, you never really know until the market opens. Right now it's looking short. Chart looks super messy, but it is what it is. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for price to hit one of these key levels, and we're just waiting to see how it reacts. But I think daily buys for today is long. We got about 5 minutes until market opens. So yeah, I don't think there's any news today. So yeah, let's see. Like I don't think there's no news today at all. Yeah, no news today. There's one red folder tomorrow at 8:30, and then Friday there's no news as well. But today is going to be a regular trading day for everybody. I don't think price action is going to be too bad like Monday. I feel like my God. I feel like it's just gonna be like Monday where you had to catch the move very early, and if you did it, you were kind of chopped. But it was still some moves you could have made on Monday, but not like any big, game breaking trades. Like you really had to like be in there at the beginning of the market. Bro. But yeah, so we waiting on. Let's scale down the lower time frame, see what they got going on here. So yeah, this is like, see what I mean. So swept, rally, and then take out any highs. I really like. I want to see London highs get took out. I want to see London highs get took out. After London highs get taken out, I like, depending on how it reacts, I feel like it could take out London highs and then come down, sweep London lows. Or if it sweeps London lows, it's going to rally up and take London highs. Um, whichever one. But we just got to wait and see. Let's look on the 1 minute. 1 minute. Pretty slow. 4 minutes. Bro. The Patriots, bro. Patriots have like, I feel like the Patriots are one of like the very. Are these the Patriots? Yeah. I feel like the Patriots are one of those teams that like their jerseys were just like I feel like they just never have bad jerseys. Like I've never seen a bad Patriots jersey. Like I don't think I have. Like whatever jersey, like they're just one of those teams that are like very, very consistent with their jersey, man. I like it. Um, mm. All right, here we go. Market's starting to go one way. Let's get back to the 30. Whichever candle this is, it's gonna take us to one of these key levels. Honestly, I don't really need to trade today. Like that's the thing. I don't really need to trade, so I'm very tempted to just catch the bullish momentum, like or bullish or bearish momentum, because I don't really need to take like an actual trade today. I just really need a little bit of chump change. But I'm gonna stick to my rules, and I'm going to just yeah, I'm gonna stick to my strat. I'm not gonna get carried away. Diddy's still not out of jail. I thought Diddy was out of jail. Um, uh, Farmer 2020 show 101-year-old not former Nazi concentrate guard covering his face, convicted of being accomplice. Nigga. Bro, I hate when people complain about 360 deals like you didn't sign it. Bro, like that's just like that's got to be one of the dumbest things like anybody could do. Like sign a 360 deal. Um, take a minute. All right, all right. Oh, it's 9:30. Market open. Prices going. I think prices gonna go up to sweep London highs. Let's go look at the 5 minute. Um, discount. All right, there we go. Hit a 4 hour high. Stick to the strap. Stick to the strap. I'm very tempted to enter this and just like set the TP to eyes, but I'm gonna just stick to my strat and stay patient. I'm not trying to, because then if say I do enter that and then it ends up going straight down, then I lost because I didn't trust my strat. I didn't use my strat. So you gotta kind of like that's one thing about trading. You gotta kind of be like you gotta be a robot, you know. Just gotta stick to the rules. You gotta very like you gotta follow the rules very like tightly. But we're just gonna wait for it to take out London highs and see what it does from there. Let's see if it's gonna continue. That's good. We have this 4 hour high, which I'm pretty sure if it if it's a continuation confluence, I'm pretty sure it'll take out those 4 hour highs. Um, yeah, and then but if it sweeps, it's probably gonna come down to lows. Look on the 1 minute, 3 minutes of the market open. Oh, I just swept this sweep on the 1 minute. Liquidity sweep was just made. Bro, let me turn this freaking magnet off right here. Liquidity sweep right here. It could be coming back down actually now. I don't really care about Asia highs because, like I said, London already swept that. So I'm just worried about London highs. All right, London highs got swept. So let's wait and just see what it does. It's on the 1 minute. Look for it. We're looking for either a break of structure, fair value gap, equilibrium, order block, break block. This right here is a order block. I'm pretty sure. So I'm looking for a break of structure. That's a reversal, whatever. See. This is already in. Let's see. If this candle closes below this candle, then we're looking at a change of kind of lower low, lower high. Mm, yeah. Uh, Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. No. Order filled. All right. It's cool. That's just the first trade. See, let me lock back in. Trust my confidence. All right. Lost 400. So now we got to make 800 today. So now we got to actually look for a trade. We know it's going down, but we don't know. Let's keep one contract because I'm not trying to risk too much today. I'm going to enter one more trade. My stop loss is going to be very tight because max I want to lose today is 500. This is a lower high, so we know market shifting to a downtrend. So no market is about like this PA. You don't really know. I want to find a continuation confluence. Okay, can't pass here. Let's see what it's doing on the 5 minute. Pretty sure this 5 minute candle is red. First L. It's all good though. Feel like short is the move. Only got one more trade in me. Let's see. Order. Did not want to risk too much. I don't think today's my day. I do not think today's my day. No matter how this trade goes. Well, if it hits, we're for sure getting off, but I don't think today is my day. Order filled. Yeah, today's not my day. All right. Well, we lost today. That sucks. Looking to just get $350 more dollars. I went against my daily buys. Um, I should have just rode the bullish momentum to London highs, honestly. But it's all good, bro. We only lost $845.60. So you know, total. We just got to do another normal trade like we hit. That's really it. Yeah, it's nothing new. It's nothing game breaking. Um, these type of days happen. Um, but yeah, we risked good. We risked good. We didn't risk too much. Like these were pretty good trades. It's just I probably wasn't as patient as I shouldn't have been. I was just probably just rushing to hurry up and get that 350 and get off the market instead of just reading my confluences. Like if I seen, we literally just swept some liquidity right here. So if we just swept the liquidity, if I noticed this liquidity sitting right here that we swept, I would have been able. Oh, after this liquidity sweep, just boom, wait for the break of structure, and then enter in on the long, and then I probably would have cashed out for my money up here. But it is what it is. So we have another day to trade, and literally the way we've been moving, like these couple of days, we could literally make the rest of this remaining back and pass the eval in a day. So pass the eval tomorrow. So yeah, damn, that sucks. But yeah, all right. See you guys later.